Hey everybody, this is Jennifer and I am here with your play of the week. This week we wanted to talk to you about some new admin features that are coming from Microsoft 365. Currently they're launched to the enterprise, but they're in development for both GCC and GCC High. The new features are going to allow you to do things like have segregated admins for different roles and different administrative tasks, and they're going to bring things together. If you remember back in the day when we first started with BPOS and Office 365, a lot of things were separated, and so you'd have to go to different admin centers to run different tasks. And then as things have started to get developed and now things are starting to align, sometimes we still have to go to different admin centers. This admin experience hasn't been super great. It hasn't been united. But Microsoft has been working very hard on it, and now the new admin center is available and ready. Like I said, it's launched for the enterprise, coming soon for the government cloud. So super excited about this one. This is our play of the week. If you want more information, maybe you want to see a demo or you want to talk about how you get your admins trained, feel free to reach out to us and schedule a feature review. This is Jennifer, and I'll see you again next week for next week's play of the week. Thanks so much.